We're good to go ahead. May I request everyone to please settle down? Before we start, requesting you all to please keep your phones on silent mode. Well, good morning, everyone. Good morning. A very warm welcome to each and everyone present here to this momentous occasion, the listing ceremony of Ellenbarrie Industrial Gases Limited on the prestigious National Stock Exchange of India. My name is Mayuri Malankar. I'll be the host of this event, and it gives me immense pride and pleasure in extending a warm and a hearty welcome to each one of you present here. Let's begin this beautiful morning with a huge round of applause, everybody. Thank you so much for taking out time from your busy schedules and being a part of this celebration. Well, today we gather here to celebrate not just a corporate milestone but a proud Indian story of legacy, leadership, and a future fueled with innovation. Ladies and gentlemen, before we move ahead, requesting you all to please rise for the national anthem. We will begin on a respectful and a patriotic note.
गणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Jai Hind. Well, it's a momentous occasion and a significant milestone in the journey of the company. And to begin this celebration on a warm and a respectful note, we would now like to extend a floral welcome to our esteemed dignitaries. May I please request them to kindly join us on the stage. As I take their names, I'll request our team to present a lovely bouquet of flowers as a token of gratitude and honor to our dignitaries. Please put your hands together, everyone, for Sri Shanti Prasad Agarwal, the founder of Ellenbarrie Industrial Gases Limited. Warm welcome to you, sir. बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका. Let's give him a big round of applause, everyone. Heartiest welcome to you, sir. Thank you. Next, I would like to invite on the stage Sri Padam Agarwal, the chairman of Ellenbarrie Industrial Gases Limited. Please put your hands together, everyone, for Mr. Varun Agarwal, Managing Director of Ellenbarrie Industrial Gases Limited. Put your hands together for Sri Sriram Parthasarthi, SVP, IIFL Capital Service Limited. Thank you. Please put your hands together for Sri Akash Agarwal, Managing Director, Motilal Oswal. Warm welcome to you, sir. Please put your hands together for Sri Kamal Sultania, JM Financial. Warm welcome to you, sir. And it's time to welcome our host. Please put your hands together for the Senior Vice President of NSE, Dr. Harish Ahuja. Thank you so much everyone. And now we proceed with the auspicious ceremonial lamp lighting, requesting all the dignitaries to please join us on the stage. हमारी भारतीय परंपरा के अनुसार अब हम दीप प्रज्वलन कर इस कार्यक्रम में आगे बढ़ेंगे। दिए की ज्योत हमेशा ऊपर की ओर उठती है, दिए का ये स्वभाव है। हमारे द्वारा शुरू किया हुआ काम हमेशा इसी तरह ऊपर की ओर बढ़ता रहे, अग्रसर हो। इस प्रार्थना के साथ, इस भावना के साथ हर शुभ काम की शुरुआत जो है वो हम दीप प्रज्वलन से करते हैं। आज का ये दिन, आज का ये इवेंट हम सभी के लिए बेहद महत्वपूर्ण है। आज के इवेंट की शुरुआत भी हम दीप प्रज्वलन से करेंगे। May I request all our bankers also to please join for the lamp lighting? Shri Shri Ram Partha Sarthi, Shri Kamal Sultania, Shri Akash Agarwal. Let's take one group picture. Thank you so much for gracing this moment and illuminating this new chapter in the Ellenbarrie's growth story. And now let me take a moment to introduce you to the inspiring journey of Ellenbarrie Industrial Gases Limited. In an industry dominated by multinational corporations, Ellenbarrie Industrial Gases Limited is a shining example of Indian enterprise and excellence. With a rich legacy of over 50 years, EIGL, that is Ellenbarrie Industrial Gases Limited, is one of the oldest and largest 100% Indian-owned industrial gases companies in the country in terms of installed capacity, revenue and profitability of fiscal 2024. EIGL operates one of India's largest oxygen plants with a capacity of 1,250 TPD as of March 31st, 2024, and proudly held a market share of approximately 2.65% in the last fiscal year. Well, the company manufactures a wide range of gases: oxygen, nitrogen, argon, helium, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, nitrous, oxide, and much more, serving industries such as shipbuilding, pharmaceuticals, steel, welding, and more. EIGL has also played a pivotal role as a supplier to India's space and defense programs. In addition, it produces synthetic air, a critical gas for calibration and environmental monitoring, underscoring its focus on innovation and precision. Well, now moving ahead, ladies and gentlemen, to share the thoughts on the incredible journey and the partnership that brought us here, I would like to invite on the stage Mr. Shri Ram Partha Sarthi, Senior Vice President, IIFL. Can you please welcome him with a huge round of applause, everyone?
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is an immense privilege and honor to be here today on this momentous occasion for Ellenbarrie Industrial Gases, the leading Indian manufacturer of industrial gases like nitrogen, oxygen, argon, and many others. The journey that started in the early 70s as a small enterprise has today culminated in Ellenbarrie being one of the leading manufacturers of gases in India, with a large market share and a strong presence in the eastern and southern parts of the country. The gases that Ellenbarrie manufactures are used across a wide range of industries like steel, healthcare, pharmaceuticals, chemicals, and many others. In a sense, Ellenbarrie is a key contributor to the growth of manufacturing sector in India. But the fact that I would like to kind of highlight today is the fact that when called upon, Ellenbarrie stood up and got counted when it mattered more for the country. During COVID, when their own families and staff were falling ill, the company operated 24/7 at 100% capacity to deliver oxygen to all the healthcare facilities and hospitals across India, thereby saving tens of thousands of lives. And for that, on behalf of all of us, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to you. Thank you. The journey started by Mr. Shanti Prasad Agarwala is today being carried forward by Mr. Padam Kumar Agarwala and Varun Agarwal. They are supported by a strong management team and a professionally managed board of directors. The journey to listing is a very, very important journey. And on this milestone, I think this is something where the promoters can relate to the journey which has been filled with hope, despair, perseverance, grit, and hustle. I would like to commend the promoters, the management, as well as the families who stood behind the promoters to kind of get to this milestone. I would also like to thank our co-BRLMs, the legal counsels, the consultants, the stock exchange registrars, and all of those who had a key role in the success of this IPO. As Ellenbarrie kind of embarks on this journey as a listed entity, I would like to kind of wish them all the best and congratulations. Thank you very much.
Well, thank you so much, sir, for the insights. And now moving ahead, I would like to invite on the stage Mr. Akash Agarwal, Managing Director, Motilal Oswal, to address the gathering. Can we please have a big round of applause for him?
Hi. While I was coming on my way today, Varun, I was remembering the first call that we received from you. It was 17th August. I remember the day because that was my second day in Motilal Oswal, and I was sitting with Amit and we were actually debating that the kind of deals we were getting and seeing inflow of, and suddenly we get a call from Varun and he starts discussing certain compliance issues with us. And he says, Akash, if you are willing to take it up, if you think this can be resolved, we would be happy to go with Motilal Oswal. For me, it was a great opportunity to just grab this deal. It was also surprising for me that Varun didn't knew Motilal much about, but he showed a lot of trust and faith in us as a left-lead banker. We tried our best in this process to ensure that we get the approvals from all the regulators well in time. I hope we succeeded in doing that. It was a difficult transaction in its own ways, but the company is great. In this journey, we saw how company has changed its outlook and how the regulators have also changed their perception about this company. This is what the entire journey of an IPO is all about. Changing the way a company should perceive public markets and how public markets should perceive the company. Varun, in this process, there are a lot of people that I'm sure you'll be thinking about, Radhe Advisor being one of the very critical ones, where Nitya has handholded the entire process. The lawyers, Tri-Legal, CAM, Varun from Huggins, all of which have been part of this journey. Even the auditors in their own ways, chartered accountants, a lot of people have put a lot of effort together to get this company to get listed. And we're all looking at you now, looking at your listing journey and to be part of it. Thank you for joining all, getting us all together on this platform. Thanks.
Thank you, sir. And next, it's my distinct pleasure to invite the visionary at the helm. Please welcome Shri Padam Agarwal, Chairman of Ellenbarrie Industrial Gases Limited, to address the gathering. A big round of applause.
Thank you. On this august podium, to address such a distinguished gathering is very momentous and a significant milestone in our journey of 52 years. I extend my deepest gratitude to our investors, bankers, legal consultants, advisor, and the entire team for believing in us and our vision. Your trust and confidence has been instrumental in the present achievement. I shall be failing in my duty if I don't recognize the encouragement and support from my family, as always, in all our endeavors. This is a business built over 3 generations. Our founder, my father Sri Shanti Prasad Ji Agarwal, who has always led from the front, decided to take a back seat recently, but at the same time has been proud to watch the company grow under the stewardship of the next generation. Varun has demonstrated exemplary leadership, grit and determination throughout this journey. We agreed to disagree on many occasions, but our internal debates always led to the best outcomes for the company. Ultimately, nothing succeeds more than success. The journey of 52 years was full of challenges and opportunities. The company was established in 1973, and it will be difficult to believe today, but it took 3 years to get the first industrial license to set up the plant. And I really remember those trips to Delhi to represent with the ministries and all that. So those were the days of license Raj, and had we given up then, probably this company would not have been in existence. I joined the company around 1982 and started assisting my father on marketing, etc. Most of the times we were selling more than production, and this fueled our appetite for growth and capacity. There were many speed bumps, but ultimately we could succeed in our objectives. In fact, our growth driver has always been a strong and personal customer connect and a respect for quality, and we shall continue to hold these values in future also. Varun has been following a strategy of continuous and aggressive growth with more hands on the deck and tailwinds of India's economic engine. Milestones were crossed much faster than we could earlier anticipate. I must thank Team Ellenbarrie, who are our strength and who have followed us always and believed in whatever we do. The IPO process involved a number of sleepless nights and tense moments, but with solid teamwork, we pulled through with resounding success. We have now more partners in progress with the largest shareholder fraternity, and we shall make the most of it for furtherance of business. That's a promise. In our journey as a listed company, we hope to provide multifold returns to our investors by doing what we do best, converting air into money. Thank you.
Well, thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring words and taking Indian industry to new heights with such a grace and leadership. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's my honor to invite on the stage a distinguished leader whose expertise and vision have contributed immensely to the growth of our financial markets. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Dr. Harish Ahuja, Senior Vice President at National Stock Exchange of India. Please welcome him with a big round of applause, everyone.
Shri Shanti Prasad Agrawal ji, founder Ellenbarrie Industrial Gases Limited. Shri Padam Kumar Agrawal, CMD Ellenbarrie Industrial Gases Limited. Shri Varun Agrawal, Joint Managing Director Ellenbarrie Industrial Gases Limited. Shri K. Srinivas Prasad, CFO Ellenbarrie Industrial Gases Limited. Shri Shriram Partha Sarthi, SVP IFL Capital Limited. Shri Kamal Sultania, MD Investment GM Financials. Shri Akash Agrawal, MD Motilal Oswal. Board members, distinguished guests, employees, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning and warm welcome to all of you on the listing ceremony of Ellenbarrie Industrial Gases Limited. NSE is proud to welcome Ellenbarrie Industrial Gases Limited in our family of listed corporates, and this would be 2,764th company to list with us. During the current financial year, NSE has listed around 33 companies including SME and main board, and Ellenbarrie Industrial Gases Limited is the 11th company to list with us in this financial year. And why I'm saying this data? Because last year, in financial year 2025, NSE did a kind of world record. We listed around 242 companies which raised around 1.7 lakh crore, roughly $20 billion, which was more than Nasdaq. Cumulative what Singapore Exchange, Shanghai Exchange, and Japan Exchange raised. We cumulatively raised alone in India. So that kind of world record. And I'm very happy that now Ellenbarrie is also the part of this growth journey and this world record. Welcome to you. I would talk about NSE, its own growth story, because NSE is now completing around 30 years in its journey. In last 30 years, NSE had a remarkable journey of enabling a fair, efficient and transparent capital market ecosystem and being a catalyst to the growth story of India, enabling economic growth, capital formation, wealth creation and job creation. NSE has over 11.5 crore unique investors which are holding 22.5 crore accounts spanning 99.9% of pin codes barring 28, and these 28 pin codes are typically railway stations. So we are present across India, and this 22.5 crores are being held by 1/5 of all households investing in the stock market today. As you all are aware, India is now 4th largest capital market after US, China and Japan. NSE's company market capitalization has grown almost 125 times in rupee terms since we got started operation in 1994, and today it's stand around 459 lakh crores, which is $5.37 trillion. And I'm very happy that Ellenbarrie Industries Gas Limited will also contribute to this capital formation going forward. I congratulate the entire team of Ellenbarrie Industrial Gases Limited, the merchant bankers, Motilal Oswal, IFL Securities, JM Finance Limited, legal advisor CL Mangaldas, PR agency Concept PR, and all the associate party which has contributed to this accomplishment. At NSE, we are committed to facilitate the fundraising opportunities and making capital markets more accessible to upcoming organizations to chart the growth story. We hope that today's successful listing of Ellenbarrie Industrial Gases Limited on NSE will inspire many more companies to list with us. I like to personally appreciate the efforts of Mr. Shanti Prasad Agrawal. I was seeing you, sir. You are 83-year-old, and you had determination to come again and again to dais, taking your shoes out also. I think this is quite inspiring, because I think many entrepreneurs see this kind of determination, and many people have this aspiration that when they have got vision to live, they have mission to accomplish, age is not a bar. Thank you very much for putting this example, sir, for all of us. This listing day is the start of a strong partnership between us, and as we look forward to supporting Ellenbarrie Industrial Gas Limited in their future fundraising endeavor as well. Thank you. Namaskar. Jai Hind. Yeah, sure.
Well, now The moment we all have been eagerly waiting for is 9:58, requesting all the dignitaries to please join us on the stage for the bell ringing ceremony. Can we please be quick? So you will see the countdown on the bell. Please follow the countdown on the bell. You will join me in last 10 seconds. The countdown has started. We are 55 seconds away. Requesting you all to be seated throughout the ceremony. We have live cameras behind. We are 43 seconds away. Well, the moment we all have been eagerly waiting for is here. We're just 30 seconds away. This is not just a start of market trading, it's the beginning of new aspirations, investor confidence, and larger than life possibilities. Let's get ready for the final countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Heartiest congratulations. Heartiest congratulations. Ellenbarrie Industrial Gases Limited is now officially listed on the NSE. Heartiest congratulations, a moment to celebrate, a symbolic ringing of the bell that has marked the Ellenbarrie Industrial Gases Limited's official entry on the Indian capital market. Let's take one group photo with everyone present here on the stage. Can we please arrange ourselves for the group photo quickly? Congratulations. एक बार जोरदार तालियों के साथ फिर एक बार बधाइयाँ देंगे Ellenbarrie Industrial Gases Limited को. Now please requesting me everyone to please settle down. We will continue with our memento presentation. We will continue with the photo session later. And now we come to the most awaited. Sir, आप रुक जाइए. यहाँ पर आ जाइए. Well, we come to the most awaited and a proud moment of today's celebration, the presentation of the official listing certificate. The bell, please, I will request sir to come forward. May I request Padam sir to please join? This is not just a memento, guys. This is a symbol of trust, transparency, and a new beginning. Congratulations to Ellenbarrie Industrial Gases Limited. It's time to present the vote of thanks. May I please request Shri Kamal Sultania from JM Financial to please join us on the stage for the same. A big round of applause for him.
Good morning, everyone. On behalf of JM Financial, it's my privilege to congratulate Ellenbarrie Industrial Gases Limited on the successful completion of its IPO and its listing on Indian Stock Exchange today. This marks a significant milestone in the Ellenbarrie's journey from being India's oldest industrial gases companies with over 50 years of operating history to a publicly listed company in a sector which is primarily led by multinational. Shri Shanti Prasad ji Agarwala, Shri Pradam Kumar ji Agarwala and Shri Varun Agarwala, you have truly created an Indian MNC in Ellenbarrie. Friends, a big round of applause for them. The strong investor response is a clear vote of confidence in company's legacy, leadership and vision for the future. We are honored to have partnered with Ellenbarrie on this important milestone and transaction since the first day of planning till today. A sincere thank you to the entire management team, board, co-lead managers, advisors, stock exchanges and all the intermediaries who play a role in making this listing a grand success. And of course, our deepest gratitude to the investor community for their trust and enthusiasm in participation in this IPO. We look forward for supporting Ellenbarrie in years ahead as it continues to deliver value to its shareholders. Thank you once again and congratulations to all of you.
Thank you, Kamal sir. And with this, ladies and gentlemen, we conclude our listing ceremony here. Before I sign off, let me congratulate Ellenbarrie team once again for this landmark achievement. Heartiest congratulations. It's a milestone to be getting listed on the National Stock Exchange of India. Heartfelt thank you to all the dignitaries and everyone who is present here to celebrate this moment with us. And now I will request everyone to please join us for the photos and for the refreshment. With this, Anchor Mayuri Malankar signing off. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.